It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today is Wednesday. We're getting over that hump, y'all. We almost at Friday, so hey, y'all already know, man, it's that weekend time again, man. If y'all new to the channel and it's y'all first time rocking out with your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. I love each and every one of y'all that tune into the videos and rock out with your boy. Shout out to the notification squad. Hey, y'all already know how we rocking, man. Let's try to get this video right here up to 50 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you get your best. And drop a comment below and let me know how limited this was and if y'all was able to pick this up. Let's go. There it is, y'all. So this unboxing right here, man, I took an L, you know, got an L, but you know, not really an L, just a delayed W. So let's go ahead and get this thing open, man. Alright, y'all, so we got the box open and we are in there. Man, I'm glad I was able to pick this up. I saw this going for up to like $77 some places. People were selling them for $100 on eBay. I was like, yo, they're going crazy. They're going nuts on these. Somebody had listed this, and it just so happened that, you know, picked this up for 20 bucks shipped off of eBay, y'all. They even put the red paper on the inside of the box. Hey, red carpet effect. Let's get it. And we in there. Y'all already know, man, your boy was gonna pick up that Michael Jordan Funko Pop, man. Very, very dope. I'm glad to add this to the collection. Of course, I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all, give y'all some close-ups, man, of Michael Jordan Funko Pop, and I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit why I decided to pick this up, and I got a few questions for y'all. So let's go ahead and let's get these close-ups.
All right, y'all, so we got number 56, Michael Jordan, only at Target exclusive Funko Pop. As you see, he is lacing some Air Jordan 1s with the basketball, and he has the Chicago Bulls jersey in the red colorway with the cursive writing on there. As you see, I've gave it a little bit of display in the background, hitting y'all with a couple shoes and 2 jerseys. Y'all gonna know why in a minute. We're gonna check out the back of the box real quick. Michael Jordan, of course, still number 56, Chicago Bulls, and that's just a better look at the jersey. And you guys can see, now I don't normally do this, y'all, but today I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that out of the box type effect. I don't like taking these things out the box, but I really wanted to just see how it looked, give y'all a really close up detail, because I know the last time I did the review and showed you all, you guys I left it in the box. So I mean, who cares, man? I'm gonna keep it. I'm not selling it. So there's the back, gave y'all the front. Very dope, man. And like I said, it looks like it appears like he has on the Air Jordan Retro 1s in this. So what I ended up doing was I ended up bringing out the shoes to match, because I told you guys I got a couple of the Funko. So there go the Chicago ones. There go to then again he has on the ones right there for Miles Morales, and there go those Spider-Man ones. And just coming around, there go them, you know, the famous dunk. That's number 54 Pop. And I had to, y'all, bring in my free throw line 3s. And now we're just gonna wrap it up real quick, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Of course, I'm gonna spin them pictures at the end. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As y'all know, like I said in the review, I had to pick up this Michael Jordan Funko Pop. Y'all know that Jordans, I love them, and you know, I had to get the Michael Jordan Funko Pop to go with this Michael Jordan Funko Pop. Now we're just missing one. I'm actually trying to double up on this one. I'm trying to figure out what I doubled up on these, man, and I'm still waiting on them Funkos to come, man. I don't know what the hell happened to them, but hey, when they come, man. I'm probably gonna 9 times out of 10 be doing a giveaway with one of them. So y'all be staying tuned for when that comes in. But just like I said, man, if it got Jordan, man, I really want to get it. That's why I got Miles Morales. He got them 1 things on, and you know, he dropped them Spider-Man ones that came out last year. So it was only right with continuing it. After I picked up this Michael Jordan, that I would pick up this Michael Jordan, y'all. So y'all let me know again how hard it was to get those. I've seen a lot of people that were able to get them, but hey, I delayed W from Saturday, y'all. Or Friday, excuse me. So it's all good, man. But if y'all new to the channel, it's y'all first time rocking out with your boy DaRetroWizKid, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. We are on the race to 10,000 subscribers, y'all. 4K right around the way. If y'all haven't yet, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. Over on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back. And don't forget to splat that like button there over there on Facebook at DaRetroWizKid. I love y'all, man. Hey, y'all let me know how y'all feel about them Funkos. And tomorrow I got another banger for y'all. Don't forget, on Friday we got the sneaker chop up. I got my girl lady_sneakerhead sliding through, man. And hey, she got some heat. So if y'all ain't sub to the channel and y'all want to see some heat coming in, man, dope female sneaker collector, man. And like I said, heat, man. And she got a lot of gems, man. So head over to Instagram and make sure y'all follow her at lady_sneakerhead. I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Yeah!